Hi, welcome to A Chef Called Rhonda. I'm Rhonda and this is my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a super easy, super healthy, super delicious recipe that all starts with a very chunky rigatoni that we all love and know. So let's grab our trusty wooden spoons. Let's all meet back in the kitchen while I show you this rigatoni recipe. Okay, welcome into the kitchen. First and foremost, I will provide a link to the lemon juicer in the show notes below, as well as the pecans that I've chosen to use for this recipe. Let's go ahead and get started. As you can see, today I'm working with a pound of rigatoni, rigato, also meaning striped or ridged pasta. I have a 4-quart saucepan that I filled with water, and I'm going to bring that up to a boil, and I'm going to remove the cover and lay this wooden spoon across the top. I will add about a tablespoon of salt to the water and give a stir, and I'll wait until it comes back up to the rolling boil, and I'll add a ½ pound of rigatoni or rigato pasta. Once my rigatoni has cooked al dente, I will drain away the water, and I will reserve the rigatoni with a little olive oil and some fresh ice cubes, thus stopping the cooking of the rigatoni. Okay, let's get started. A good sharp knife to begin with. I'll need 3 tablespoons of pecans. I chose the raw variety. Cinnamon, sea salt, dried fennel seed, dried basil, extra virgin olive oil, Parmesan Reggiano, a small zucchini, and of course a lemon. Okay, so adding to my already heated skillet will be 2 cups full of the extra virgin olive oil, like so. I'll allow the oil to heat for about a minute or so. Next, I'm going to roughly chop our pecans. Now these pecans, I'll leave a link in the show notes below. I'm particular when I'm purchasing pecans, so if you like pecans, check out the link and place that order, because you will thoroughly enjoy the nuttiness and the flavor of the pecans. Next, I will add them to the skillet along with the sea salt, the cinnamon, the whole fennel seed, as well as the dried basil. Now the heat with the spice and the pecan will develop into this real warm sensation for the palate. Running the trusty wooden spoon through, lowering the heat and letting it sit for about a minute and a half, just until they get crunchy. Next, I will trim our zucchini. It's important to note that I half the zucchini and then I half it again, and then I will run my knife through the zucchini like so. And the reason why I do it this way is so that the zucchini will remain just big enough that it offers a nice bite. Okay, and next I am going to half my lemon and only use half of the lemon juice. I don't want the lemon or the brightness of the lemon to overpower the dish. I really want the pecan, the cinnamon, the dried basil, and the fresh dried fennel seed, the whole fennel seed, to come through. Time to add those rigatoni pastas right over the top of our pecan and zucchini mixture, and I'm going to use 2 trusty wooden spoons to incorporate all the ingredients together before adding our final ingredient, which is the Parmesan Reggiano. Now in theory, what I like to do, I like to make this meal early in the morning, and I will let it sit on the stove so that the flavors mash all together and the taste becomes phenomenal. You've got the warmth of the cinnamon, the brightness from the tad of lemon juice, and the pecan, the crunch, and the pasta. It's all so beautiful. Well, there we are. I wanted to take a moment and say many thanks for watching today's recipe. If you haven't had a moment to subscribe to A Chef Called Rhonda, would you consider subscribing to A Chef Called Rhonda? From my kitchen to yours, arrivederci, ciao, cindan, salute.